Welcome to CodeSundar.com. In this video, we are going to create a simple grid view with the multiple images. Let me open an existing project with my VS Code. So here is a simple project, which only has a header and with a name, with a title. Now we are going to display the grid view inside the scaffold body. So I'm just creating a body with a grid view. So grid view widget allows you to display the images in the grid view. Not only the images, you can create a card or even you can display the text, something like that. So since we are passing the data statically, we need to use the count. In case if you are creating a grid view dynamically, say for example with the web request or something else, so we have to use builder and customs and extend we will see it later. So now we are going to use a count. So since grid view is a multi-child widget, so I'm using a children. So here I need to pass the widgets. So in our case, it's an image dot network. So here I need to pass the URL. So I'm just passing the URL. So same thing, I'm repeating it for 4 to 5 images. Next, I need to pass the value for cross-axis count, which means how many rows and columns it need to display. So I'm just passing as 3. So just save the file and do the refresh. So here you can see, so we are displaying the images in the grid view. So let's add some spacing on that. So cross-axis spacing, I'm just adding 4.0, and main axis spacing, so same 4.0. So saving the file and do the refresh again. So here you can see, so this is the cross axis and this is the main axis. So let's add more images. So and increase the value of main axis to the 8 so that you can understand what is cross axis and what is main axis. So here you can see, so this is the cross axis and this is the main axis. So let's add some padding around the grid view. So to do that, so I'm just put the grid view inside the container. So I'm just adding some padding as 16.0. Let's see the output. So here you can see. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, feel free to comment below. And if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Goodbye.